Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete a card from your Apple Wallet. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. And as you can see, I don't have any payment cards set it up. So I hope that you have your card set up. Then find the card you want to delete and tap on it. Simply tap on it and scroll down and tap remove card. And this is how you can delete your card from your Apple Wallet. And make sure that a pop-up will appear. Tap remove to confirm. Once deleted, if you had multiple cards, another one will become your default payment method, and that's it. Your card is now removed from Apple Wallet. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.